What if I told you the ancient Greeks possessed a computer over 2,000 years ago? In 1901, divers found a shipwreck that changed all history forever. They dredged up a weird piece of corroded bronze from the bottom of the sea. It used to be in a wooden box about the size of a modern shoebox. Heavy corrosion had kept the true purpose of the device hidden for many long decades. In the 1950s, Derek Price used X-rays to show its internal gear arrangement. Later, high-resolution CT finally revealed the actual complex and internal design of the device. Inside was a complex and elaborate system of bronze gears, all intermeshing in perfect harmony. It had a differential gear innovation not found elsewhere for many centuries. This was designed by Hellenistic engineers around 150 BC to do complex astronomical maths. Users could simulate the motions of the Sun, Moon, and 5 known ancient planets. It followed Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn with incredible mechanical precision. The front dial recorded the cycles of the zodiac and the phases of the Moon with great accuracy. It also predicted major astronomical events and modeled the movements of celestial bodies with uncanny accuracy. The back surfaces had calendars showing the cycles of the ancient Greek Olympic Games. Users could turn a handle and imitate the motions of the vast universe. It was a high point of ingenuity, and then vanished from recorded history. That precious knowledge died with the decay of advanced technological traditions. This wonderful bronze brilliance was forgotten to the world for more than 1,000 years. It took decades of dedicated work by expert scholars to decipher the tiny, faded inscriptions. They showed a complicated user guide on how to follow stars at night. Each gear tooth was cut with a microscopic precision beyond the logic of the modern world. We are just now beginning to understand its amazing and complex design. This sunken shipwreck was a big-time capsule of lost wisdom that was absolutely incredible. The ship got caught in a giant storm and sank into the deep abyss. It had sat alone in the dark, cold waters for over 2,000 years, waiting for us to one day discover its secrets in the ocean floor. Today, modern laser scanners are bringing this old bronze gadget back to life, and the results continue to baffle the most brilliant and expert minds in the world. We thought advanced mechanics was not worked out until many years ago in the Italian Renaissance. But the ancient Greeks are clearly way back in the past before us. They truly saw the universe as a magnificent and beautiful giant mechanical clock. Now, millions of people are marveling at this impossible and mysterious ancient bronze relic. These ancient inventors were brilliant, and we owe our own current technology to them. It was effectively the grandfather of all modern and powerful computers, but it poses a deeply haunting question about our progress as a species. What other advanced technology have we just plain forgotten during the long dark ages? How much of our past is lost in the shadows of time forgotten? Every little gear is a story of lost potential, of human genius forgotten. A tale of brilliance that we are only starting to read now. The Antikythera mechanism is not simply an old, broken thing from time. It's a huge challenge to our modern idea of human technological progress. A reminder that human history is never quite so simple as we think. As we learn more about the brilliant people of the past, what do you think? Are there more hidden away devices out there? So let us know your best theories in the comments below. And thanks for watching now.